Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to like game on Roblox PC or laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you just playing Roblox and you like map, like game on Roblox, you want to like that game, how to do it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Roblox. Now we can choose on the game or map that you want to like. For the example, I want to give like on this game, a Violin District. You can open the game. You can choose the game. And here in this game profile, you can read the description. You can just scroll down until you find there is an option to vote. Here, if you want to like this game, you can select on thumbs up. But before that, you must visit this experience before rating it. So if you want to like game on Roblox, you need to visit the game. And also you can add the game to your favorite by clicking on the three dots over here and select on favorite. So it makes you easier to find the game. So let's see, I want to like this game, so I have to visit this game first. Like this. Okay. You can skip like this. So I have visit the game. And now, after you visit the game, now you can leave and you can give like to the game. It's very simple, right? So that is how to like game on Roblox PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!